Antalya Aqualand Water Park is a place that full of various ways to have fun, and it will add some excitement to your holiday in Antalya. If you search for some options besides from the beaches and bays of Antalya, you can enroll in our water park tour to have moments that are full of laughter, fun and adventure. Before getting into the details, you should know what you should have for preparing yourself completely, since this will make you enjoy the activity to the fullest. Thus, you can start with putting your swimsuit and towel into your bag for sure. Then, do not forget to bring your hat, sunglasses and sun cream to protect yourself from the sun rays. And lastly, get your camera ready to snap these joyful moments. To start our Antalya Aqualand Water Park activity, we will pick you up from the hotel that you stay in Antalya by our fully equipped, comfortable and modern vehicle. Then, we will take you to the park and let you have fun freely until the return time. Antalya Aqualand Water Park is the largest and the most equipped one among its kinds along the Mediterranean Sea. It means that you will be able to multiply the fun, since there will be many options to consider. To specify, there are pools both for children and adults, different types of slides such as kamikaze, tropical towers, the pirate boats, free-fall water slides, boomerang water slides and more, animation and events, and also, various kinds of cafes and bars. It simply means that as an individual, a couple, a group of friends or a family, you will have fun and fill your soul with thrill. During your time, you can select what to do. You can only lie down on the poolside, you can eat and drink whatever you want, you can swim or you can slide as fast as a race car through the slides which look like labyrinths over the pools. Enjoy the time as you wish, yet, do not forget to immortalize these amazing moments by your camera. If you do not have, however, there will be professional photography service and you can benefit from it by paying money. Enrolling in our Aqualand Water Park excursion, you will have a pass for trying any section of the place, also, having a free lunch menu, an ice cream menu and soft drinks. Thus, when you get hungry, you can use this opportunity to fill your stomach freely. Of course, you can always get more food and drink by paying extra fee.